Ready? Say what's up, everyone.
What's up?
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing something special. Tell them. Say we're in Pearland at 2300 Smith Ranch Road. And okay, you see I got these two little rambunctious children of mine. This is my great nephew. Say hey, Redrick. And this is Teddy. Say hello. Hello. So today we're going to do a book signing. So we're going to be promoting my workbook. Can I see the workbook? And we're going to show them what the workbook looks like. Hold it up so they can see. Turn it around this way. You see that? Can you guys see that? And tell them that say it's a guide to help you learn your letters and sounds and how to write your alphabet, right?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So we're gonna check back in with you guys later and tell you all what it's about. And we're gonna show you some footage of what we're doing here today at Big Horn BBQ restaurant right here in Pearland, Texas, located at 2300 Smith Ranch Road. Okay, in Pearland, Texas. Say bye-bye. Say we'll talk to you soon. Teddy, say talk to you soon. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's sign off. Well, I'm back here just to tell you guys in honor of support. I am so surprised that one of my students from years ago, she's 25 years old, just the same age as my son, but she showed up with a great surprise. Her name is Vivian Galvan, and I'm going to let her say one or two things about her first grade teacher. Okay, hang in there. Okay, so this is my sweetie Vivian Galvan. So I just wanted her to say one or two things about maybe her fondest memory of me when she was in first grade. Right now she's 25 years old and she's doing great things.
In fact, it was kindergarten. That's how far back we go. It was a really great surprise to see her making this book because it really touched my heart. This is exactly what she taught me from the age of 5 years old. So it's just great to see that she's still doing these things. She's still making children's lives amazing and developing them into the people they will be when they're an adult. And here I am, 25 years old, and still looking up to her. So great job, Ms. Heath.
Thank you, and what a great surprise. I'm glad to have you here, and there's my mom. Say hello, Mom. She got camera shy, never mind. And there's my niece home. There's Ashley, my niece, my twin sister. And then I'm just going to scan the room a little bit and show you guys. Over here, everybody's coming out. Yeah, it's going to be a nice event. All right, thanks guys. Be back soon.